We work for a safer world. Trust is in our DNA. It is built from small defined details, from quality, smoothness and reliability. From high security innovations from the same pieces as Abloy Pulse. Each of us at Abloy has an important role that's part of a larger whole. We are a community that forms a circle of trust. We value finish work, uncompromising quality. Therefore, the final assembly of the Pulse system is done in Finland at our Joensuu factory. Together, we build a more secure place to live for all of us.